Yes, dear ladies and gentlemen, we have just made it. The Switzerland tour is almost finished. SolarButterfly has arrived back in Lucerne. After 3 weeks and more than 1,500 kilometers, we have visited about half of the Swiss cantons now, and we are back now at my friend Seppi Grüter's place. He runs a company here in Lucerne called Electron, and he's so happy, he's so nice that he gave us a place here that we can do some maintenance. We are actually not repairing things, we're just doing maintenance, because in the next week, Monday evening, the SolarButterfly is leaving Switzerland. We won't be able to do anything anymore in a proper workshop with it. We are very happy to do some last maintenance things here in Lucerne before we're leaving to Germany, to Scandinavia, Eastern Europe, Italy, Spain, and so on. So we take the chance to do something on it. Let me show what we do.
Nice people, some Herausforderungen,
Challenges.
Some challenges.
Hey Cornel, what are you doing? What's that?
Oh, I just cut it these small rails so they fit on these solar panels.
Hey Kai, what are you doing?
Drilling holes into wooden planks, therefore the big panel to actually protect the small panel beneath.
And today again, around 10 people back on the working site to make sure that everything is running well for the rest of our tour. And here in the neighborhood, we have to repair a little thing also on our Tesla. And we find a great repair shop with the help of Hugo. We want to fix a wooden box into the Tesla, and Hugo is helping us. Hey, this is a garage full of vintage cars. And this is Martin's workshop, and here's Martin. He is the guy who is helping us to fix something on the Butterfly. He has a great workshop. Look at this. Martin has a very special car. Look at this. He's just showing us to us. I didn't know about that. Full surprise. It was built, when was it built? 1929, right?
Yes.
And look at this. Oh no, I can't believe it. Look at this. Hey, do you see that? Wow, can't believe it. Fully electric. What's the maximum speed?
Maximum speed? Minsk, Parma.
90 kilometers per hour, really? And it's fully licensed. You are allowed to go on the road, right?
Yes.
Spontaneously, I invited Hugo for an interview. And just to understand our mission, you see, we want to show that habitats and animals are going to be lost due to climate change. That's why we have decided to put some habitat posters into our rooms. For example, here you see this is the shower, and here we are showing that coral reefs are going to be extinct because of climate change. And here in our living room we have now a poster, very nice poster showing the Arctic. And it's also time to take care a little bit of our Tesla, so that we are making a box. It's Freddy and Peter doing it today, so we can put the rails and the solar panels into it.
Jetzt ist gut.
Fabrice and Dennis are working busy here today on our sound system and Studer Indotech converter inverter to make sure that it's waterproof. We have a table here, so that's a lot of work to be done.